I'm such a New York girl at heart, and I'm in the country, so this is different. I've seen snakes. I've seen frogs. One day I opened one of these doors coming in like late, and there wasn't a light on. I opened a door, didn't know it was there, and I walked in, and I'm waiting for my friends to come in, and there's a frog this big. I don't, like, that has me like thinking about going back to New York. I know I'm not leaving, but like, I'm a New York girl, and there's a lot of animals, chipmunks I can deal with. It's the spiders, the frogs, and the snakes. I cannot do it.
Know me, I'm a main event anywhere. I'm a do that there. How you do it, do it, do it, do it, do that there. How you do it.
Welcome to Just Angela. Today we are in my home, Chateau Simmons Sutton. I named it that. It's a little crazy today. I got a chef in the kitchen. I got painters upstairs. I'm trying to get this house in order. I have a designer for the garage.
It's me. He just dropped this off for you too.
Oh, let me see it. Oh, it's pretty. Put it in my office though, because it's gonna be red.
Okay.
Who did it? You did it?
Los just did this for you.
You paint?
Los is an artist. He's so fabulous.
Wait, put it against, what is this, wet?
No, it's all dry.
Okay. Thanks, Los, that's so nice. It's a little wild, but I want you guys to come along for the journey and to see where I'm at. Things are happening at the Chateau. All right, guys, so today, right now, this is the first room, this is the foyer. When I first moved here, which I still am in process, the painters are here every day, things are literally changing. This was actually all wood, and I changed it into white. I have some really cool ideas. So when you first come in, this is the foyer, then you come this way, which is my office, and look, I made the doors red. No one wanted the red doors, but I did. And so I'm still in the process of fixing things in here, but come in, come in. So this is not even the desk that's gonna be here. I'm gonna have like this large white executive desk. This is very beginning stages, but it's an office, so you can get out. And it's gonna be for all my business stuff. I definitely need a place where I can handle all of my business and like my me room. So this is gonna be my me room, my Chateau office. And then when you come this way, we land into this room right here, which I'm not quite sure what I want to do, but I know it's more of like a sitting area, a little more like formal. I don't know, probably the room that, like, you know, when you're a kid, you're not allowed to go into and it's all white and your parents don't let you in it. One of those. Okay, so with this room, I like that it's right off the foyer when you walk in. It was gray, and I'm moving kind of fast because I'm kind of impatient. And so now it's all white. This fireplace actually was a whole nother color, and now it's white. I love this fireplace, like it did something. It does something for me. I have to change all of these lights out. I love like this, like I'm all about the windows, and as soon as you come in, when I first was looking at the house to buy it, this front area kind of sold me because when I walked in, I like lighting, and then like the trees, it's just pretty, you know? I'm not really the HGTV girl, I love watching it, but I don't, you know, I'm trying to figure this stuff out. I'm bringing on people to help me decorate and do what I need to do, but I really love this room and this whole front area now. So this is this room, voila. And you can see right into the backyard, which I think is pretty cool. A lot to do. Again, this room was all gray and I love white. I just like refreshing colors, so I changed it out. And so here we are, voila. Follow me for some more. That's not the point when you walk in a house. Do you play piano?
I play, yeah, I do.
So why would you say it's not a good idea to put a piano in there?
Listen, what I'm saying is not right now.
It's just my thoughts as I was walking in there.
Not this very moment. All I'm saying is you got other things like that.
But the piano would look great.
Listen.
Did you see the marble floors I sent you?
I saw it, Carlos. I sent it to him. Just take your time, step by step. You ain't gotta rush that right now. That's an accessory like an earring. Get that later. You know?
What's wrong with him? All right, guys, so this is, first of all, my favorite place in the this is my favorite place in the house, the kitchen. I know that sounds very greedy. It's where I get my nutrition. It's how I'm able to have energy, right? This is not gonna look like this. This is totally temporary. I literally been here for like 2 weeks. So this is the dining area, which will look completely different, backyard there. And then I have my lovely chefs in the building, which this is a unique thing. I have both of them in one place. I have the guru chef. The guru. I have Chef Reena over here.
Hello.
which is pretty cool. Like, what I do love about the kitchen is that it's so wide and open and there's space like to really cook. I love it. They're both in here, not even like bumping. Like, you see that space? Like, anyway, everything is just coming along. This is the first 3 rooms in my house. There are other spaces and rooms in here, but right now, my house is totally chaotic. I'm literally been here for like 3 weeks. No one told me, like, they say it's crazy, but like, it's up there on the crazy list. Moving, all my stuff's still in boxes. I've been living in boxes for about a month. And then I get in here, and as much of I'm not an interior decorator, but now all of a sudden I just have all these things I want to do. And I don't know where to start. Because I start one thing and I'm like, but this has to go, and this has to go, and that has to go. Gardening, it's so much to do with a house. They tell you get a house with the amount of stuff you have to do once you get the house. That's where I'm at, like figuring it out. Like, what am I gonna do? This is why people, I assume, get people to help you manage your house stuff, because it's a whole different level of busy. All right, on that note, let's go this way. I'm done ranting, I promise. So, this is another sacred area. Okay, so this is another one of my favorite places to hang. I'm a nature girl, so just being around like trees and stuff is everything. I'm really excited to be able to like, I think I'm gonna open the deck up and put a pool, and like, there's so much fun stuff to do. I'm such a New York girl at heart, and I'm in the country, so this is different. I've seen snakes. I've seen frogs. One day I opened one of these doors coming in like late, and there wasn't a light on. I opened the door, didn't know it was there, and I walked in and I'm waiting for my friends to come in, and there's a frog this big. I don't, like, that has me like thinking about going back to New York. I know I'm not leaving, but like, I'm a country girl now, I guess. I'm a New York girl. You see how that just rolled off my tongue? I'm not country. I'm a New York girl, and there's a lot of animals. Chipmunks I can deal with. It's the spiders, the frogs, and the snakes. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. Anyway, back to the balcony. I like this. I'm gonna add a lot of different things out here. I haven't quite put my hands on what I'm gonna do. It's a lot of house to decorate, and I'm really grateful, but it's like, it's a lot of work. So yeah, this is another one of my favorite places to hang. And this is only a little taste of what I'm gonna be doing. I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek into my casa. Chateau Simmons Sutton. Everything is going to be named that around here, yeah. All right, guys, so I have one last room, the family room. Kind of. It's just where you hang out after you eat, you know what I mean? You got the itis, you wanna lay down, that's where you go. So come on. All right, so as you guys can see, the kitchen is right here. It's where the food occurs. You've seen it earlier. And then you walk on through here. This is the family area. You know, while you're eating, you're not eating on my white couch, but you can eat over there. And then, you know, after you eat, before you eat, if you want to partake in a little bit of TV while the food and the cooking's going down, that's what you can do. And then, yeah, this is the very quick light tour of Chateau Simmons. I'm still building it out. I have a lot to do. I kind of want to update you guys on what's been going on with me with life, home owning, buying a home, the process, the chaotic couple of weeks I've had, months I've had. Yeah, it's been a while. I feel like you guys need to step into my office a little bit. Come on. Okay, guys, do you want to know where I live? Can you guess where I live? That's really the question. All right, drum roll, please. I have really bad drum roll skills. I moved to Georgia. Can you believe that? I'm in Georgia. I'm a country girl now. I'm a peach. I wanted to move specifically because of my son. You know, it's better here for him. See, the doors don't ever stop in here. Sorry, I'm really sorry in real life. I wanted to specifically move because of my son. I want him to have people that he can go to outside of just me, you know. Raising him without his father, it was crucially important for me to have individuals that he can lean on outside of me. And my family's in New York, but for me, I know the roots of his father is here in Georgia. So I chose to move here. Was it my first initial place I thought I would move? No, but I am happy that I made this move. So, life update. I'm in my new home, Chateau Simmons Sutton. I absolutely love it. It is a lot of work. A lot of chaos. It sounds like I don't know. I don't know what that is. Somebody up to
The washing machine.
What? Oh, somebody gotta move. I'm happy because honestly, like my son is really happy. He's in a great space. He actually got skipped to kindergarten. He was supposed to be in pre-K. They did an assessment on him and he went to kindergarten. So I thought that was pretty amazing. Home owning, buying process. I've heard it before. I mean, I definitely learned that it's a process, and that is definitely what it is. Buying a home, you gotta have all your paperwork in order, and no matter how much paperwork you give them, there's always something else you have to give them. I had a great real estate agent, Brandy, Hunter, incredible. My home lender, loaner, Virgil, incredible. Tiffany, the attorney. I mean, they were just such a strong team and helpful. You know, I think it's important to learn as you go. It was my first home, and so I learned a lot. I strongly encourage doing it when you're ready, but definitely having people around you who can help lead you through the process till you kind of know what you're doing. And again, everything's a learning process. I feel like it took me this first time to learn and to see exactly what it felt like and what it was gonna be, and the down payment and the this and the that, and you don't spend any money while you're waiting on your home to, you know, go through your loan to be approved. There's a lot of steps, guys, a whole lot of steps. Your credit's important. You know, you wanna make sure your credit's really great. That will really help your process when it comes to a loan. There are so many pointers. I mean, I think this is a whole seminar when it comes to buying a home. So cue your big mouth while I'm filming. What? Okay. Okay, you can walk in. She never stops. You sprayed it?
No, but I sprayed it now. If you haven't sprayed it now, the smell is too much, so.
Okay, just spray it. I don't care.
I haven't sprayed tonight, so.
I'll do it. I don't care. I'll sleep on the couch. I don't care. Just spray it. I want to be done with it. All right, my bad, guys. So the painters needed me. They had a question. It's really like, I'm really not joking. I know I'm filming right now, but in the process of this, there's a lot happening. Other updates. So my son, like I said, he's in school. So now I'm this, I won't say soccer mom, but like soccer mom. You know, I'm up early, dropping him to school now. It's not the same thing as like when he was going to school and it was just like, not even really like pre-K. Like it felt like this is real school. Like he gets homework, he comes home. I gotta be there early, get him up. Like it's different having a kid in school. So that alone is an adjustment to me. He actually got skipped to kindergarten. He was supposed to be in pre-K. They did an assessment on him and he went to kindergarten. So I thought that was pretty amazing. My businesses are going well, Simmons Beauty. I mean, I'm growing, I'm learning. A new state has just totally sent me into like a spin out. I'm like still trying to gain my bearings, guys. I just got here and I'm in Georgia, so it's completely different than being in New York. But I'm happy. I am really happy. All right, so guys, there's been a lot going on with me business-wise. Simmons Beauty is still growing. You know, we're a year old. I just launched a body oil, the first body oil. You see, it doesn't stop in my house. I just hear stuff all day. I just launched a body oil. It's called Birthday Suit. In love with it. Of course, it's mine, but people really do love it. I'm in a really great space business-wise. I am the brand ambassador for Curls, so you're gonna see amazing things, Target, Walmart. We're gonna be rolling it out. I'm really excited about that. I just shot the campaign for Curls. Also, I do my hair all day. D-Hair I'm actually ambassador for D-Hair, so all of the weave you see is D-Hair. And then the whole thing with Curls is like, you need to take care of your hair underneath the weave and the wigs, lady. It's cool to have a list, but make sure you're giving the treatment underneath. They really must be spraying my room pretty hard. Like, do you hear that? I told y'all this was gonna be a little rough, but I feel like they're moonwalking on my head. So the curls, you know, it's important to take care of your hair underneath your weaves and wigs. That's my main thing, and that will be available in Target, Walmart, everywhere. So I'm really excited about that. I also just did a denim collection. It's a denim capsule with Broken Land, and I'm shooting the campaign for that this weekend. And the denim collection will be sold online. Broken Land, independent African-American woman doing her thing. I love her quality of clothing. You guys are gonna love it. And denim's like my favorite. If you go and look at my page, I wear a lot of denim. All right, y'all. I'm turning country already. All right, guys, welcome back. So I've updated you on my life. I've shown you my house. I've told you what motherhood's like now. And the question you've been waiting for, is there a new love interest? Am I single? Nah, it ain't no one, it's just Angela. That was cheesy, I know, but I'm just saying, there's no new man. It's just me. And by the way, like, I'm okay and I'm happy being single right now. My focus really is my son, getting this house in order. There's a lot of things going on, so I'm happy. I'm good. I mean, these are all really great things, right? Fashion, skincare, because I'm all about all of that. Who got the chips near here? The door's okay, it's the chips for me. So, you know, I feel like all three of these things really talk to me. Balancing being me as far as like having my deals, living in Georgia, flying all over the place, can get hectic. The balance just comes from meditation, because honestly, I don't even know how I'm balancing it. Like, it's a lot to do, a lot on the to-do list. I'm very grateful, so I'm cool with it, but it's definitely a lot. And not just only balancing being an entrepreneur and new home in Georgia, but a mother. That takes the cake. The door never stops. I know y'all see this. Front door, back door, side door. What are y'all doing? I don't know what anyone doing in here. They left me. They were back here cooking. I don't know where no one's at. Anyway, the balance, I'm trying. I don't know. There is no balance. You hear people upstairs, you hear people there. I don't know. Literally, y'all have come in the most, I bet in a couple months when you come back, things will be calmer in here and we can have this conversation without all the noise and the racket and the chaos. But right now, every day, this is what it looks like for me. Even during the calm moments, it's not, it's chaos. Yeah. Diamond of the day. The hell? All right. Today's diamond of the day is always strive for what you love. Do you know what I mean? Like, for me, I knew I wanted a house. I didn't know the how, the when, the where, but I just went for it when I felt it was time. So strive for greatness and do what you love and don't give up. You know, my thing is, like, I always wanted a house. I always knew that it would happen, but the first thing you need to do is just like go for it. You know, even if it doesn't seem right, just do it. Just like we live once. So my thing is strive for the best and do your best. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment below, let me know how you feel about my house. Give me some tips on what I should do. And yeah, I'll be back. Till next time.